Using a step stool, carefully remove the top cap by turning it to the left. Using a power drill or screwdriver, remove the screws from each rib as shown. Using an Allen key, remove the screw located on the main pole. Open the Velcro strip on the side of the canopy and remove from the umbrella frame. Unfold the new canopy, flip it inside out and place your arm inside the canopy as shown. Locate the hole at the top of the canopy and place 2 fingers through the hole. Place your fingers at the top of the umbrella frame and flip the canopy over the frame as shown. Place the top cap back on the umbrella by turning it to the right and close the canopy using the Velcro strips. Using an Allen key, screw the canopy onto the main pole. Using a power drill or screwdriver, replace the screws on each rib as shown. Test the umbrella using the crank to open and close it, making sure the canopy is properly installed.